Welcome back, tech enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Technical Earth. Today, we're diving into the world of web development and exploring the fundamental programming language that powers the interactive experiences we enjoy on the internet, JavaScript. JavaScript plays a crucial role in web development, allowing developers to create dynamic, interactive, and engaging websites. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this video will serve as a comprehensive introduction to JavaScript. So, let's get started. To begin our journey into the world of JavaScript, let's understand what it is and why it is essential in web development. JavaScript is a high-level, interpreted programming language that enables us to add interactivity and functionality to web pages. It's a versatile language used for everything from form validation to complex web applications. Now, you might be wondering, why should you learn JavaScript? Well, the answer is simple. JavaScript empowers you to create interactive and responsive websites. It's the backbone of modern web development. Learning JavaScript may seem overwhelming at first, but with the right approach and resources, you can master this language. So, let's discuss some important steps to get started. Step 1. Understand the basics of programming. JavaScript shares fundamental concepts with other programming languages, such as variables, functions, and control flow. If you're new to programming, start by grasping these foundational concepts. Step 2. Familiarize yourself with important JavaScript concepts, such as variables, data types, operators, functions, and objects. These concepts form the building blocks of JavaScript programming. Step 3. Utilize various learning resources available. There are numerous online tutorials, interactive coding platforms, and documentation that can help you grasp JavaScript. Some recommended resources include MDN WebDocs, FreeCodeCamp, and Codecademy. Now that we've covered the initial steps, let's dive into a practical demonstration to see JavaScript in action. Today, we'll create a simple JavaScript application that validates a user's email address. Here's an example of how you can validate an email address using JavaScript. We'll break down the code step by step to understand what's happening. And there you have it, a basic email validation script using JavaScript. This is just a small taste of what you can achieve with JavaScript in web development. As you progress in your JavaScript journey, you'll encounter more advanced topics like DOM manipulation, Ajax, and frameworks like React and Angular. These areas expand your capabilities and allow you to build robust web applications. Before we wrap up, remember that learning JavaScript is an ongoing process. Keep practicing, working on projects, and exploring new concepts to deepen your understanding. That concludes our comprehensive introduction to JavaScript. We've covered the basics, discussed learning resources, and even delved into a practical demonstration. I hope this video has inspired you to embark on your JavaScript journey and explore the limitless possibilities of web development. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Technical Earth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, happy coding!